upon 2 minus square root of 3 under square root. How to simplify this? To simplify this, we first have to rationalize the denominator. To rationalize the denominator, we multiply and divide it by the conjugate of the denominator. Conjugate of x plus y will be x minus y. So conjugate of 2 minus square root of 3 will be 2 plus square root of 3. So we multiply and divide it by the conjugate of the denominator. Keep it under square root. Now this is 4 times 2 plus square root of 3 upon, and this is in the term of differences of square, a plus b times a minus b. So this will be 2 square minus square root of 3 square, because a plus b times a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. This is under square root. Now this is 8 plus 4 times square root of 3 upon 2 square is 4 minus square root of 3 square is, we remove the square root with the square, so this is 3 under square root. 4 minus 3 is 1, so this will be 8 plus 4 times square root of 3 under square root. Now can we simplify this? Now 4 outside the square root, we can bring it inside the square root. How? So 8 plus this we can write 3 times 16 under square root, because then we can take out 16 from the square root, because it will be 4 square, and then this is square root of 3 times square root of 4 square. Then we remove the square root with the square, so this will be 4 times square root of 3, this number. So we are not changing the question or the number. So this we can write 8 plus 48 under square root, then all under square root. Now 48 we can factorize it as 12 times 4. Now 4 we can take out from the square root, because a times b under square root is square root of a times square root of b. So this will be square root of 12 times square root of 4, and square root of 4 is 2. So we can write it as 2 times square root of 12. So this will be 8 plus 2 times square root of 12 under square root. Now 8 we can write 6 plus 2, and 6 also we can write square root of 6 square, because a under square root when squared it is equal to a. We can remove the square root with the square, so it will be equal to a. And 2 we can write as square root of 2 square plus 2 times 12 as square root of 6 times square root of 2 under square root. Now if we take square root of 6 as a and square root of 2 as b, then it is in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab. And this is an algebraic expression. This means square root of 6 plus square root of 2 whole square under square root. Now remove the square root with the square. So answer is square root of 6 plus square root of 2. You can put the value of the square roots and find the answer, or you can leave it like this when it has asked for simplification. How did you solve the question? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.